Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today we're opening up the High Security Vault by the Wizarding Trunk, and this is actually the Groundskeeper Special Edition. So this is a box just completely about Hagrid, which is awesome because I love Hagrid. The Wizarding Trunk is awesome, easily one of my favorite subscription boxes that I've ever gotten, and also they've been working with me a lot too, so I do a lot of the design work for items that they put in their boxes and stuff. So if you guys are interested in getting the Wizarding Trunk, I do have a discount code, and that will be in the description box below and also in a pinned comment, so go ahead and check them out if that's something that you want. But anyways, let's get this box open because that's why we're all here. And if you are wondering about this map on my table here, this is the map of monsters which I designed, and I did it with Newt Scamander in mind, but I think the whole like monsters really goes along with Hagrid as well. So, and I am going to be selling this at this size. This is a 24 by 34 inch map. So yeah, if you want one of those, they're on my Etsy shop right now. But yeah, let's get this box open. Here we go. All right, so here's what we see at first. There is a print, and this has, Hagrid's hut and his pumpkin patch here. That's really cool. I love huge pumpkins. I don't know why. I always thought that pumpkins were really cool. I really like Halloween too, so that is probably part of it. And this is the cheat sheet on that side, so I'm not gonna look at it, but we'll set that there and continue on. Let's just go ahead and grab this. This says, caution, may contain dragon. So, oh, it looks like this is a pin. Let's get this open. Looks like a crate. And then when you open it up, yes, there is a dragon pin in there. That's really cool. I like the way they did that. It's like a dragon in a crate. Very nice. And next up, I see the goggles here, so I've got to try these goggles on. We got to take a look at this. Here we go. They're like kind of almost like steampunk goggles too. So like if you ever wanted to use them for like some steampunk cosplay, you could do that too. But yeah, these are pretty neat. Let's see what they look like on my face. Well, I'm gonna have to take my glasses off. So here's what they look like. They're kind of comfortable, more comfortable than I thought they would be. But yeah, that's what they look like. I can't see them at all because I don't have my glasses on. So even if I look in my monitor down there, I can't see what I look like. So I probably look ridiculous. But those are very cool. I'm saying so far the goggles are my favorite item. But let's continue on through here, see what we got. That's kind of going underneath everything, so I'll wait on that one. Here's a little jar. It's probably a candle. Yeah. So this is a scented candle. It says gingerbread rock cakes on there, which sounds pretty good, to be honest. Let's see what it smells like. Oh yeah. I would eat this if it were edible. That's really good. Okay. I love that. That smells like Christmas. I'm gonna put that over here. And we'll go for this box. Why not? Actually, no. You know what? We'll do the smaller box first. Here's a smaller box right here. It looks like it is a potion. It's actually more like a potion ingredient, but this turned out really cool. Check it out. These are spider eggs. And I designed the label for this one. Giant arachnid eggs. So it's basically like acromantula eggs. But yeah, check that out. It's got like a spider web with a spider on it for the seal. Some black rope or yarn or whatever, twine wrapped around the neck of the bottle. That's so cool. And it looks really neat. This is gonna be great, especially for like Halloween. This would be super cool. Let me know what you guys think of that. I think the label turned out great. The inside eggs look just like really cool. All right, what else have we got in here? I guess looks like we're gonna have to go for this large box right here. See what's inside. Ah, it must be something fragile because they've got some styrofoam holding it in. There we go. That is cute. That's obviously this is Fang, like a little Fang statue or figure. This is so neat. It's got a lot of detail in there too. This is really cool. And who doesn't love Fang? Everybody loves Fang. Yeah, this is gonna go up on my shelf somewhere. I need like a Hagrid section somewhere on my shelf to put this stuff on. This is neat. We have this now. I wonder what this could be. It's pink, so I'm thinking this might be the umbrella. What else would be wrapped in pink in Hagrid's box? Yep, that's what I thought. This is a little umbrella wand, it looks like. Let's see. So this is not a wand, it's just the umbrella. It doesn't even pop open though. It's just more like a prop, or, you know, right here you can see this is all, I think, resin cast. But yeah, it's still a cool addition to have, and that can go somewhere on your shelf with Fang. So there we go. We've got Hagrid's umbrella right there. And we'll go in for whatever's next. Right here, looks good. Let's see. It is a key. And it has like a hippogriff here and some feathers down there. This is a pretty cool looking key, I think. It does have this GK, something in between, maybe GEK. I'm not sure, groundskeeper. But yeah, we'll have to check that out on the cheat sheet, but there you go. It's nice and heavy. Yeah, place that here and continue on. I think there's only like one or two more things, probably one. No, two. There's something else in there. Oh, right. Yeah, that last thing is mine too. This appears to be a laptop case. This is like a Monster Book of Monsters laptop case, I believe. Yeah, check it out. It's got the eyes here and the fur. Pretty cool. Of course, they couldn't put the title of the book on there, Monster Book of Monsters, but... And we'll move on to the very last item, and this is the print that I designed for this box. So here you go. This is what the Dragon Care print looks like. I tried to design this to look like it was like actually out of an old medieval book. And it's all readable. The font is, you know, along with the style of this, the medieval type style of this, so it might be a little hard to read, but yeah, it is all fully readable right there, and it is a Dragon Care page from some old random book. And that concludes the items in this box. So let's take a look at the cheat sheet. The giant arachnid eggs, first off, like I said, I designed the label on this, and it says they spawn the king of arachnids, so of course this is a reference to the acromantula. The pink umbrella right here, here's the pink umbrella. It says these iconic pink umbrellas contain a bit of magic and were hand sculpted for us. Very cool. I wanted to know what the initials were on this key, so let's see. This key will get you into the hut on the grounds. So I'm guessing it's just for, the GK is just for groundskeeper, but I don't know what the middle thing is. If you know, let me know in the comments. I'm probably missing something obvious. The Biting Book laptop sleeve. So this is the Monster Book of Monsters laptop sleeve here. And this was, it protects up to a 15-inch laptop designed by Twillings and Tattings. Very cool. The motorbike goggles right here. These motorbike goggles are perfect for when you're riding your magical motorbike on the ground or in the air. So there's that. I really liked these. The gingerbread rock cakes candle. This smells amazing. So I'm definitely keeping that and burning it any chance that I get. These candles were created by Inflammare Candles. While these rock cakes may not be worth eating, they smell fantastic, which is true. We have the Fang statue. This is a miniature version of the oversized companion of the groundskeeper. Just so you know, he's a bloody coward. So there's that, and it is an exclusive. I think maybe all these are exclusives. The dragon pin, which is right here. I really liked this one too, and I liked the presentation of it. As we all know, this is something that the groundskeeper has always wanted, his very own dragon. So there's that. And then finally, the dragon care sheet. This page comes from a book in the library that details how are for your dragon. So there is a typo on here. It's supposed to say details how to care for your dragon. This print was created by me, Danny at Wizardry Workshop. So there's everything in here. Now, it's going to be tough for me to pick a favorite because I really liked everything in this box. I'd say I can't pick the dragon care sheet because this was my own original design. However, I shouldn't pick the eggs just because I did the label, but even without the label, I think this is really cool. So this is going to be one of my favorites. And then the goggles and this amazing candle that smells like Christmas. These are my 3 favorites in the box. Let me know what your favorites were in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.